this video, I'll teach you how to fix this error. So I was getting this error in GTA 5 for a long time, and in order to fix that, you need to do the following step. So the first step you need to do is you need to go to the GTA 5 folder. Yeah, right click on the launcher, click properties, go to compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7, and run this program as an administrator. Only these two options must be ticked. Hit apply, select OK. And then the second thing that you need to do is you need to go to your graphic driver, whichever your graphic card is. In my case, it's NVIDIA. You need to go to the NVIDIA app. You need to ensure that you have the latest graphic driver updated here. So yeah, I had, so you can find it here, this app. And so I have the latest graphic driver updated. It's up to date. Sometimes if your driver is not updated and up to date, then this problem can happen. And then the third thing that you need to ensure is that you need to go to the NVIDIA control panel of whichever graphic card you have and select NVIDIA GPU only, so that you derive power from the GPU itself and you get better graphics. Hit apply. Select yes. Okay, so cross. Then again go to GTA 5. Run this and it should be probably running now. Let's see whether it runs or not. I think it's lagging a bit, so need to close this here. And if it's happening with you also, control shift escape, hit GTA 5, right click, end task, cross it, then see, for me it happened like that it's not running good on GPU, so I need to select the integrated graphic, hit apply. So this is a trial and error thing here. You need to see which one works best for you and select the appropriate setting. So okay, so I think I have to restart my laptop in order to get the GPU working. So this was the thing here, and yeah, we can run now. I guess it's less laggy now. So it's a thing that you need to do in setting in order to the battery is low. Sorry for that. Yeah, I'll be back in a moment.
Get down there! Alright, everybody pays attention, no one gets hurt! Go! Open the door! They'll get worse than hurt!
It's quite less laggy now here.
Come on! Finally! Don't do anything! Let's go! Shut up! Shut the fuck up! Hands behind your back!
Oh, come on, mister. We're giving you everything you want.
Don't even think about it!
I'll do it. Oh, God.
Get in there!
Quite less laggy now.
Sit tight! I'll handle the blasting!
Don't blow yourself up! Listen up!
Quite less laggy now, quite less laggy.
Get down there! Alright, everybody pays attention, no one gets hurt!
So now you can just adjust, tweak with the graphics here so that you get perfect settings here. Whichever one works best for you. DirectX 11 would be better. Get the refresh rate accordingly. I have 144 Hz, so apply 144 Hz. Will be quite better, quite smoother. And just adjust these settings accordingly, according to your PC specs. I got an NVIDIA RTX 60, so that's why I'm keeping everything very high. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit a thumbs up, and if it helped you, thank you.